घर पे रहोगी या तो ये जानवर। डिस्गस्टिंग। तुम किसी जानवर से कम हो क्या?
No, but I'm so glad that we don't have to deal with any of this shit.
We think of practical reasons of why not having a pet
Yeah.
rather than this कि तुम किसी जानवर से कम हो गया है, तुम रहो या ये जानवर रहेगा.
जब प्यार होता है तो सब हो जाता है. So Yarin, we see so many of us millennials these days wanting to adopt a pet. Why did you decide that you wanted a pet? About 2 years back?
Actually, more than that, I wanted to adopt a cat long before I actually did. But I think it takes that amount of time to realize the amount of responsibility that you're signing up for. To me, it came naturally because I always wanted to have like a family, because I've been staying away from home for so many years and I really wanted to start my own family, which will be by choice. We've reached this age, a certain age, where we know we can take responsibility of things. Not necessarily we want to get married and take the responsibility of marriage or have kids, take responsibility of kids. This seems like a
Middle ground. Yeah.
of responsibility that we would want to take something which we will also be good at and something we will enjoy. It's just coming very naturally to us.
It's true that there is a lot of external pressure for a lot of things, right? A lot of these milestones, whether it's getting married, having a child, and then another child, and then all of that jazz. This is not stemming from there. This is like our decision. This is something that we wish for, and we do it for ourselves.
Yeah, this is the kind of responsibility I can take and I am willing to take.
Yes. So showing up consistently day in and day out, no matter which state of mind you are in, how your life is going, feeding them, their medicines, their vet visits, all of that. And it really does teach you a thing or two about being that responsible person.
So the stability in life that you get by having pets around.
There is no legal binding, there is no blood relation, anything of that sort. And still, there is that really, really deep bond that you share with your pet, and that is what makes it so special. Don't show your bum to do.